In this video we're going to look at activity 1-5. It's called Working with Task Manager, and this is the operating system that consistently starting and determining processes as required. The Task Manager tool enables users to monitor and manage this activity. In this activity you will start, measure, and use a start and stop application process. So we're going to start that process now. First thing we're going to do, we're going to open a couple applications and then we can look at them. So I'm going to go to Start, open Notepad, type in whatever, just a random text, close that, minimize it, and then we'll just open up the internet here and open up Google, and then we'll minimize that. The next thing we're going to do is to go to the Start Task Manager. We're going to go to the start clock right here. We're going to right click onto it. Then we're going to go to Start Task Manager here. We'll just click. And this will open it up. And then we'll actually show what applications are actually running right now. See how I just opened up Google Chrome. It's running. Recording because we're doing the video, so it's running. And Notepad. The next thing we're going to do, I'm going to highlight Notepad here, and then we're going to click on the End Task. So we're going to end task this here. So right now what this is saying here is an end program. It's saying if I end now, I could lose the unsaved data, which doesn't matter right now, so we're just going to end task it. And now, see how that left? So we'll just do that one more time since there's two here. End task. And see how it left. The Notepad is actually not even on the application anywhere on the screen. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we are going to click on New Task. Okay, and here we're going to enter Notepad. I'm just going to start a new task here. So type in Notepad, and press OK. And as you can see, it actually opened the application from the Task Manager here. So we can actually open applications through Task Manager. You see that it's running now also here on the applications bar. Okay, we'll pause the video and we'll go to the next thing. And the next thing what we're going to do is just close the window of Notepad. We're going to look more into the tabs here, and the tab what we're going to look at now is the processing tab. In here that we went through Notepad, now we're actually looking for notepad.exe, and we're going to click on that. We're just going to go down and look for it. Okay. Start from the top, let's try it. Looking for it. Let's see. let's try something real quick. If this ever happens, we will okay. Now here it is. What I did is sometimes if it doesn't work out for you, what you can do is, what I noticed, I closed this application here and I could not find it on here, but now it's here and now I can find it. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click this and we're going to select our set to prior, and we want to keep it on normal default. Okay. Then we'll try here. Look it on this. Do the lowest we can. Okay. Do that. Alright, that's just the set infinity option. Allows you to limit which processes can run a selected process. So really it's just managing the set priority. Could be normal as a default or high priority, real-time priority. It's kind of a monitoring thing, but we're going to right now we're just going to end task it, then process here, press OK, and then we just left it. Now it's not in here running at all. You can look at this. We won't be able to find it in here. And then we can look at the users tab. This shows how many users are actually logged on. Right now we only have one active user, but there are a total of 2 users onto this laptop. This one's disconnected and this one's active at the moment. So the next thing we're going to look at, let's see. From here we can go back to processes and it shows also the username. We saw the username here. Now we can see the process amount of the applications through here just by clicking the username. This will show who's been doing what application and also system. Okay. We can look at the CPU, showing what's current right now, it's running. And we're only using a usage of an average, 30% or so CPU usage. Some are different. Some use more CPU than others, depending on like the systemware. But really, we're just looking at the manager. So if there's a lot more space being used here, you can also go to the task manager and you can end task a lot of applications, check out the processing and who's doing what user, and you can kind of just micromanage your system yourself. So this is a great way to learn a little bit more on that. I'm going to end task that and be done with the video. Thanks for watching.